So with putting these side pieces on, we got that one tacked, and we just kind of have to force it into place to bring that gap together. So we got the smaller side pieces on, and it all came to a very nice point in the middle. But it's coming together pretty nicely, and we're just about to test fit the hood. So now with the sides on, it's separated to the 55 inches it needs to be. We squared up the back. We're gonna go ahead and put the hood on. So the hood, we will start at one corner, tack that, do the next corner, tack that. It will put the little bit of the bow in the hood. We'll then take a screwdriver, or 2 or 3 or 7, and just work this edge, because you can see here, there's a big gap. So all we have to do is kind of pry it outwards. It seems far off, but we're hoping that as we go on each side, it will slowly spread the front of the boat, tick up the nose, and the tips will all match. And everything will go tip to tip. So we got the hood on, and Jamie did say do the windshield first and then the dash, but I'm kind of just thinking the dash has the shape in it that the hood needs to be. So I'm thinking priority would be to match the shape of the dash, then we'll do the hood. But we're gonna just tack it up and look at it and go from there. So we're just gonna put the dashboard up to the hood. So 55 and a half is half of 55 and a half. 27 and a quarter plus a quarter. So even that's not perfect. That's 55 and a half, 27 and a quarter 55. Isn't it? No. 57 or 27 and a half, and then another quarter for the half. 27 and a half is 55. And then a quarter, so 55 and a half. Yeah.
Oh wow.
Oh yeah. That's good fun. You don't have to look.
So we're just gonna put the sides on this boat real quick because it's easy now because we did it once.